Now let's see if she starts up, man. She got oil, coolant, refrigerant. Nah, I don't got no refrigerant. I took the AC out, bruh. Sheesh, man. Put it right there. Boom, baby. Golly. We open up the garage. Dust. God damn. Alright, what is good, man? I haven't drove this thing in a minute, man. It's honestly only been a week, man. I've been low-key driving it, I ain't gonna lie. It is kind of wet, though. What the fuck? Oh, shit. It is kind of wet still on the ground, so we ain't gonna be going too crazy because we might die. But if we lose traction and we start drifting, you know, it ain't my fault. You feel me? Oh shit, we dead. Oh fuck! Let this. Oh damn. We're gonna be stuck behind these cars. God damn. By the way, those big numbers, that's kilometers, so we're only going 60 right now. It's too wet. All right, my boys, we got our little clean. Feel me? Look at how clean these things is. Sheesh. Just a little bit. That shit gonna get dirty again. There's like I forgot that they put salt on the road, so it might get a little bit dirty again, but just wanted to clean it just for now because it was kind of dirty. So yeah, I'll see y'all on Autobahn, my nigga. All right, another mistake. I'm not even gonna lie. As I was recording this clip, the audio didn't record on the GoPro neither, so I guess this is a little overlay, but basically audio or the Autobahn footage did not film correctly for some reason with the GoPro. We had some fire footage too, so I just wanted to apologize here. We will be having another video coming soon with Autobahn footage plus more with the Z. So stay tuned for that. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. And I guess enjoy the rest of me yapping. The rest of the video is literally me yapping. So, I mean, at least that filmed, I guess. My neck. Sheesh. Say what's good. Yeah. Sheesh. Bro, it's been like rainy and stuff the past couple of days, bro. Finally sunny. Finally dry. Gonna take out the Z for the first time in like 7 years. So hope y'all enjoy. Yeah. It's like a good ass day and then we get fucking bombed. Sheesh. Bro, the Z, honestly looking clean. I finally got pulled over for the wing. No cap. Finally got pulled over for it. But ain't shit happened though. Oh yeah, lots have happened since the last time I filmed this thing. I did film a video for it, but I was like, I didn't really edit anything. But basically I took off the old turbo kit. I replaced, I got this one pipe welded because there's a hole in it. And then I just put new gaskets, new V-band clamps. Bro, V-band clamp is $40 for a V-band clamp. What the fuck? But other than that, we did that. And then, yeah, that's basically it. But it took me like a month because I had to wait for all the parts and everything. So, yeah, my boys. So, yeah. I might still upload that video, but honestly, probably not. Flush the coolant system. We just did some like basic maintenance stuff. Oil change, nah. Oh, I still gotta put, I still got some missing parts. I'm not gonna lie. I still gotta put the heat shield on. There's a little metal thing that goes right here, which is actually this thing right here. Still gotta put that on. And I think if we come in here, I think we're missing these for the bumper. I think I put the bumper on and I totally forgot to put those on. So yeah, not really too mad. And we also got some new meats, or we might be on summer tires still. I'm not gonna admit it. Jeez, look at that thing. This shit is dirty though. So you might, I thought it scratched. But yeah, we still gotta get this dent out right here though. Still haven't gotten to that, but I think we're about to be at that phase where we could do things to it. Like, I want new headlights. This one's not that bad. I put a heat gun to them to see if it would fix it. It kind of fixed this one a little bit. But this one right here is not recoverable, bro. There's still water in it. And it's been in the garage for like 2 weeks. It's dry enough, but it's too cold, so we might still lose a little bit of traction. But thanks for watching the video, guys. Smash the like button, subscribe if you guys are new. And let me know what y'all want to see next on the channel. Peace out.